All right, guys. So today we want to move on to talk about finding what percent is it. Thus far, we've been able to find the part. Now we want to work on finding the percent. So we know our proportion is over of equals percent over 100, or percent over 100 equals is over of. And then we have our steps. We have our setup, cross multiply, and then divide. So our question says Brandon's math test had 60 questions. He got his paper back and got 15 questions correct. What percentage did Brandon get right? So I've gone ahead and identified the different parts of our proportion. So we know that there are a total of 60 questions. He got part of them correct, which is 15, and then I'm looking for the percentage. So now let's actually set up the proportion. I'm going to have my percent over 100 because I'm asking what percentage, that's unknown. And if I'm doing is over of or part over whole, well, what goes on top is what is the part? Well, the part or a portion of the whole is 15 questions. And then the whole, the total amount is 60 questions. So now we've set it up. Now we want to cross multiply. And we remember when we cross multiply, we multiply on the diagonal, or what we call the butterfly method. So I'm going to multiply with my butterfly wings. And so I know I'm doing 15 times 100 is equal to 60 times some unknown. So I'm going to quickly use my calculator and I'm going to multiply. So I have 15 times 100. That gives me 1,500. And that's equal to 60 times some unknown. So we've multiplied. Now my last step is to divide. And don't get tricked, because with the part, we were always dividing by 100. Well, now I don't have 100 left. So we have to remember, now that we're dividing, we want to divide by whatever is next to our unknown. It's attached by multiplication, and to get rid of it, we're going to divide. So 60 is attached to my unknown, so I'm going to divide by 60. Well, 60 divided by 60, I let that go and I'm left with my question mark. Now I need to do 1,500 divided by 60. And Miss Garner is smart, but she's going to use her resources and use her calculator. So I'm going to do 1,500 divided by 60. And that leaves me with 25% because I'm looking for the percent. So in my sentence, to answer the question, Brandon got 25% of the questions correct.